Hi there, everyone. My name is Bill Burkhardt Jr., and many of you have seen my animated face, maybe on our cars, our commercials, but I'm the owner here at Four Seasons Kanga Roof. Today, what I'm doing is talking to you about a lot of the common things and requests that we hear from you as homeowners, especially before we've even come out to your home. I asked my team to put together what are the most common questions that they hear from clients. So hopefully we can help address those before we've even sent a residential roofing specialist out to your home. The most common question we have is, how are you going to know if you need to replace your roof? Simple answer is, our goal is not to replace your roof. Our team is trained and our mission is to maximize the life of every single roof. So even if you call us out for a roof replacement, and when we get done, we think you have another 3, 5, 8, 10 years of life left, our team is going to tell you that. It's part of our 27-point written inspection that you're going to get, whether it's a repair or a replacement. And we're going to show you the gradient and tell you realistic timelines. And at that point, we'll break down whether you want a replacement or you want a repair. From our standpoint, it's really about caring for you and making sure we're educating you on what your options are. But again, our number one goal was actually to not replace your roof. Our hope is that we're going to be able to repair it, maybe get you enrolled in the Kanga Care Club, and really, even if we thought maybe there was 5 years left, we get you 8, because I think that is how you win, and that's how we win as your service provider. A really common one, and this is fun because this year we're celebrating our 20th anniversary, is how long have you been in business? We have been for 20 straight years consecutively in business here in Metro Detroit, Michigan. We're family owned and operated. The founder was my father, Bill Burkhardt Sr. Myself, my brother, Brian are the current owners of the company, and we are here to serve. And the best advice I can give to anyone out there is Kanga Roof is going to be around or I'm going to be dead. I'm not doing this because I'm just trying to get rich or do anything like that. We're doing it because we really think we're building something special here. And we know that the roofing industry as a whole in Metro Detroit needs to be elevated, both for the team members and for the experience you receive as a client. And that's why we're doing it. So we've been around for 20 years. We're going to be around for 20 years more. As long as I'm around, you can count on that. Really, another big question a lot of people ask us is, how long is my project going to take? Now, I can't give you a silver bullet answer, but I can give you some basic guidelines here. You know, for repairs, those are all 90% of them one-day projects. When we talk about roof replacements, 60 to 70% are single-day projects. Some for shingle roofs may go into the second day. When we talk about siding, those are generally going to be about a 4 to 6 day installation process. And flat roofing, depending on the size of the building, are going to fit right in that same category. The big thing about that is, though, here at Kanga Roof, you get a dedicated project manager who is going to guide you through that process, set those clear expectations with you when they come out to do the pre-job walkthrough, so that way you're never guessing. And if we run into something unexpected, they're the ones knocking on your door with photos, walking you through, and sharing with you all of the options in the unfortunate instance that something doesn't go according to plan, or we discovered some form of, maybe wood rot or a structural issue that was unforeseen and we couldn't investigate ahead of time. Now, this is a big one for a lot of people. Do you use subcontractors? And my answer is, we use certified installers. Now, I'm not playing word games with you, because at a very technical level, yes, they are subcontractors. But here at Kanga Roof, to become part of our team, and we do consider our certified installers part of our team, you not only have to go through CertainTeed's Shingle Master certification program, you have to continually document and verify all of your licensing and insurance are in place. You have to make it through our testing and training protocols, and it's not once, it's an annual process. We bring the team in here to our simulator that we have back in the warehouse, and they have to demonstrate to us and our production teams that they can not only follow CertainTeed's, but they can follow our Rhino roofing installation system that we provide on all of our roofing systems, because we don't do roofing like anyone else, and we take a lot of pride in that, and so do our certified installers. And lastly, why are you worth more when I could get the roof done by somebody else? And my answer is, yes, you could get your roof done for a lesser investment by another roofer. We focus here on you though. We focus on ultimately, how do we maximize the life of your roof? How many roofers do you know who will tell you up front, we don't want to replace your roof. We want to maximize it. We want to do the repairs. And if we do have to replace it, we're not going to replace your roof. We're going to replace your roofing system. And that means removing everything. It means following our proven process. So your roofing specialist is not your project manager. It goes through a logistics review with our production team. You have an on-site pre-job walkthrough. You have a dedicated project manager who is not the foreman and not your roofing specialist. All their job is to make sure the roof is executed according to the contract and according to code. From there, you get your closeout technician who is going out there with one very clear job. Do not approve this roof until you have proven there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. Our closeout inspectors are going out there to make sure every scrap, every piece of debris is off your property. And more importantly, we tell them, go out there and find something wrong with the roof. Because once we put our seal on it and we say, here's your warranties from Certainty, here's your Kanga guarantees, we never want you to have to make a warranty or guarantee claim with our service department. And that service department is probably the last piece. God forbid, Murphy's Law happens. Rodents happen. Raccoons happen. If something down the line were to go wrong with your roof, it's one phone call. You make one call into our team. We have an actual dedicated in-house service department that is ready to deploy and take care of you. And our Kanga Care Club members and our existing clients are always our number one priority. So you're not filing a warranty claim and waiting weeks on end. If you have an issue, you get a response within 24 hours and we make it right. With all that said, on behalf of myself, my father, the founder, my brother, and the team here at Kanga Roof, we're honored and look forward to the opportunity to serve you. And we really do want to earn your business. And above all, we hope you have a Kangarific day.